Sound Infusion is a whole new way to bring the music of the world to your students using a fun, interactive application. Our internationally recognised app has thousands of music samples from all over the world that your students can use to create their own unique compositions. Our easy-to-use app will encourage your students to discover and experience humanity's rich cultural diversity through the universal language of music. Let's see how easy it is to make a composition on your computer, iPad or phone using Sound Infusion. So we're going to start with some percussion. This is a djembe from Mali. You can preview the sound like this. Then add it to the composition in a 4-bar arrangement. Next, we're going to add some India bells. They are going on the even bars. So let's play the percussion now. Okay, so now I'm going to add 2 more instruments to fill out the composition. A didgeridoo and a nyaanga. So together, it sounds like this. That's all it takes to make a quick composition in Sound Infusion, and anyone can do it.